Oh no, a blizzard's coming soon. Matt, what should we do?
First, we need to find some shelter. Wind chills can cause frostbite and hypothermia. So you take this, and I'll go inside.
Wait, I got an end on a make. This shot's gonna be wet. Really? And if you happen to get wet, be sure to get dry as soon as possible, because being wet mixed with the intense wind chills can result in instant death.
By the way, be sure to stay hydrated, because the cold can draw the moisture out your body. I love Ozark. The car is actually a great place to be when you're in a blizzard. Make sure you never leave the vehicle. It's easier for people to see you if you're stranded in a car. It's okay to run your car for short periods of time for some heat. Just remember to crack your windows for some circulation of air. And just remember to keep yourself moving. You gotta keep the blood flowing. So clap your hands, stomp your feet, just move around as much as you can to keep the blood flowing.
I've been stuck in this house for 36 hours with nothing to do but play Xbox. But when the electricity goes out, I'm gonna need to find another form of heat. For example, a fireplace. But if you don't have that, you can use a nice blanket to cover up and keep yourself warm. You also want to make sure all unnecessary rooms are closed off. It would also be good to make sure you have sunlight coming in during the day, but at night you want to keep all the blinds closed. Make sure you have lots of food stocked up for that cold blizzard night. And if you have an outdoor pet, you want to make sure you let them inside for the blizzard.
Wait, we never told them what not to do.
Oh, you're right.
Hey,
That's my song.
hey, teach me how to plug it, hey. Baby, let's move. What? Can you teach me how to plug it? You know why? Cause all the girls love it. Hey. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin', and for you to back it up and dump it. Hit it.
That's my turn.
That's my jam. You already know that's my song.
I guess they learn what not to do.